inches.
What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike, and today we're doing a vlog. We got to get Betty White fixed. We've been on the road for about 1 month now, so I want to give you guys an update what's going on. Got the stuff.
Yo, what up? I got that for you, man.
You got that product?
Yeah, I got that product. You just want to do it out here or what?
Nah, man, we're out in broad daylight, man. We should probably...
Yeah, that's how they know we're big ballers, dude.
Yeah. What up, bro?
Oh, man. How you doing?
Man, this thing's clean.
Thanks, man.
Hell yeah. My man Dan here brought me some decals I've been waiting on.
Yeah, dude, I got them.
Something special. Some very, very exclusive decals. Oh, wee.
Yeah, here we go.
Dude, those look amazing. So my man's got not only some fire decals he's pumping out, but also you got a channel, don't you?
I do.
What kind of videos you shooting?
I shoot mostly abandoned stuff. I'm trying to work some moto vlogs in there, but if you like abandoned places, I'm based in the Midwest, so we go see all these abandoned places around Illinois, Chicago, Wisconsin, running some really cool stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely check out my channel. It's much appreciated.
Heck yeah. What kind of bike you on?
I got a Yamaha MT-09 2018.
Dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a trailer for you guys so you can check them out. We're gonna make our way to the shop, but big shout outs to Dan for hooking it up last minute.
Absolutely.
Trying to get these decals in the middle of nowhere for your boy. Nice. What up, dude? Bikes galore, dog. So I've been meaning to come to the shop since I've drove back up to Chicago. My boy Roland here has a killer setup. I'm getting demonetized by some smooth jazz out here. Oh yeah, I got you coffee too.
Thanks, man.
You didn't tell me what to get, so I got you my weird. I finally figured out how to change my name on my order to say DankWheelie. Yeet. But this is his beautiful bike. He has the 0304. He had a couple 13 pluses, but he finally got his mind right and went to the dyno life. But the last bike you guys probably remember him having was the gold bike that I went ahead and rode. I'll throw a quick clip in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Wreck It rolling here. We got a 16 ZX6R. This bike's got 1,500 miles, so we're gonna do a quick test ride on it.
I can hear the streets go.
So I figured I'd make this video kind of interesting. I'll pull my bike in, and since you're an experienced mechanic and you know what to look out for as far as things being wrong, we could have a roast sesh as far as you picking apart what you see wrong with my bike.
Sounds good.
Alright.
I'm sure my bike's the same.
No, his bike's minty, man. He spent days and days and weeks building this thing, taking his time with it, and it's beautiful, man. I can only dream. Stay tuned. What's that I hear? You're starting up a channel soon? Yeah.
Me and my son.
Ah. You can do like some builds and stuff though? Guys, it's been well overdue getting Betty White on the operating table, see what she needs. Don't worry about that. Yeah, my suspension, I was always wondering about that.
That's your subframe.
Oh, yeesh. Oh yeah, and I got a black fender to get rid of the white on here. Shout outs to Brian. Minty. Yeah, and I cracked this again because the pucks were too low. I figured out why I was doing that.
You want to fix it or what?
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
You shave these down?
Yeah, people, if you got stock pegs, shave down the pegs and it might save your rear sets. I don't know. Science bit.
You could be grown up and buy yourself some NDEs, you know?
Oh, no. Or RSC can make some. So that's just for novelty, you know.
This is your spare?
Yeah, we can take that off.
Carry that with you.
Honestly, the one day, the one time I actually make like a bandolier of zip ties, I actually never used them. And they all fell out. Yeah. No, just to have. I put them on there for the doomsday ride. That zip tie saves my life.
Yeah, this shit gets caught otherwise.
Yeah,
You gotta be careful of this though, because it could catch that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you drill a tiny little hole, safety wire from here to here.
That's held up since I pretty much built the bike. Guys, I just bought this powder coat probably, I don't know, 4 months ago, and look at, already through the ringer. I might need a new.
I'm so jealous of this fresh ass
I know my ramp was like sliding around the back of my truck. I'm like, no! I know.
Cover leaking?
Yeah, it's that and those little rubber rings around the screws. Look at that, look at the forks. These are hand-me-downs. it never came with another ear, so I've got to like zip tie a fender on there. That's why I want to just get another set of forks. That, and they're all gouged up and shit. Alrighty guys, drop a like, leave a prayer, we're gonna tear her down. Alright, so we got the tank off. Roland's starting to see some gremlins. It's a dirty old inside. Ew, look at that. What's that juice? It's that JB juice. Alright, so we got my old stator cover off. Keep cracking them. It's because the pucks keep wearing down too much in the cage and I don't change them out enough, but I'm gonna stay on top of them. So then we found this minty stator cover. And then we found out that the stator, it's like breaking all of a sudden, but it's at the top of the cover, which is weird because I haven't impacted anything up top. So I don't know, it's just a mess going on right now. Surprisingly, she's been running this whole time, considering all that shit's starting to break.
This isn't OEM, is it?
I don't think so.
I think it's green. It's usually the Chinese ones. The OEM looks like that. You don't have the plug though, right?
No, it's all soldered.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Shout out to ESR. Saved my Texas trip back in Houston. We had to take a quick pit stop from the garage to get a phone. Big shout outs to Danny over at T-Mobile.
Hey, what's good? Thank you.
What store is this?
Schomburg.
Schomburg?
Store, yeah.
Schomburg.
Schomburg.
Schomburg?
Yeah.
Schomburg. Alright, thank you guys. Have a great one. We got the new iPhone 11 with no apps loaded. Let's get it. Had to hook him up some decals too. Hopefully Roland isn't blowing his brains out by now with all the problems that my bike has. Look at that birdish too. Hate on that crap service all you want, but you get that new phone dirt cheap. Wavy cam is gone. We successfully finessed the T-Mobile employees. No more broken camera, people. Shout out to Danny. I hope you don't lose your job. I remember the bike for sure. Yeah. You like the rev limiters, don't you? I think. No.
That's not me.
No, I'm thinking.
The purple bike.
It's not me. I'm working on it. What's it?
Mark.
Mark. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So looks like Betty White's somewhat back together. She looking a little better. That's your suit, my dude. Yo, you have a diesel. You're not a diesel mechanic, though.
No.
Yeah. You're probably like, this dude's an idiot.
No.
What the hell's he talking about?
What do you got going on here?
Just a little TLC here and there. Ooh, even put the cover on. Reality just hit pretty hard. I was just finishing up a little bit of things. Let me turn this shit down. I'm fucking devastated, people. My frame is toast. As you can see, it's just, this cage is holding everything together by one bolt running through the frame, or running through the engine. The bike's quote unquote totaled, but I gotta find another frame or something, which fucking blows because everything's dialed on it for the most part. So now I gotta tear it all apart at some point in time and put a new frame on it, because if I crash it on this side one good time, it's fucking toast. I'll probably snap the motor right up there, put a hole in the block. So I'm pretty fucked. What do you guys think? Should I ride it or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full send, that would definitely ride brakes. Full send, that would.
I mean, we prepared for things like this to happen, but still, now I'm like really stressed trying to think of the quickest way to get it back on the road, people. So yeah, but yeah, Roland's got some minty OEM fairings. He tore off his minty fresh build, so we'll get my bike looking half like that sooner or later. She looks good naked though.
How long do you think it's been like that?
That's a real question.
A lot of missing material.
Probably happened over the weekend.
Damn it, man. We'll figure something out. She ain't Betty though. Betty, she's just looking at me. She knew and she didn't even tell me. Betty. Why, Betty? Oh yeah, by the way, this is what it's supposed to look like. You know, just a whole bottom piece of metal missing. This is a shit people don't want to show you behind the side of stunt life. Their bikes never getting smashed and slammed and breaking and falling apart, or them hurting themselves. This is realities, people. Even being a pro squid like me, you can still crash all the time and destroy your bike. So I'm gonna wrap the video up, guys, but I want to go ahead and show you guys this Hayabusa before I did. This thing is super sick. A little old school, you know what I'm saying? But look at all the gauges, people. You got one for the temperature, the fuel pressure, your boost, PSI, just so many switches, people, it's ridiculous. But the reason is because you got nitrous and a big old turbo. Who thinks I should test ride this bike? I don't even know who the owner is, but we definitely need to. Big thanks to Roland for bringing me over here to get Betty White dialed up, and also to find out the frame's cracked and broken. So I know it sucks, man. We'll make the best of it, people. Just another story in this journey of traveling on the road. Other than that, leave some feedback. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Like always, keep it dank. Later.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow.